enterprise software selection process can be long and complicated, for good reason. It's important to get it right. The solution you choose will affect the way you conduct business for years to come. It will impact virtually every business function and will take a significant investment. Plain and simple, it's critical to find a solution suited to your business and its unique requirements. But many organizations get off track right at the start when they go into the selection process with misconceptions. Here are the 5 fallacies that will inevitably result in a selection of the wrong ERP solution. Thinking that technology is the only consideration. Most companies replace their ERP solution because it's outdated or unsupported. But this shouldn't be the only reason. For example, you may want to reduce operating costs, increase productivity, and streamline business processes. The software selection process is the perfect time to evaluate your business goals and map them to a potential new solution. And then you'll be able to narrow down your choices, assuming that all ERP solutions are the same. If you've ever bought a new car, you know that every model is different, even those built on the same platform. It's the same with ERP software. At first glance, it may seem like 2 solutions are exactly alike. But when you look under the hood, you may learn that one is more powerful. And when you test drive it with a demo, you may find that one offers more of the capabilities that you need. The differences are often small, but looking closely is the key to finding software that truly fits your business. Believing that a huge, highly detailed RFP is required. Many companies think they need to create lengthy RFPs to cover every tiny detail, every little need, and every wish list. And as a result, these documents end up being hundreds of pages long. But since most vendor offerings address core pain points such as automating reports, these documents don't need to be so long. Instead, it's best to look at the business problems you want to solve and the processes you want to improve with the new software, not core functionalities that typically are the same across multiple vendors. Thinking that an ERP project is an IT project. This couldn't be more wrong. In fact, when you gather requirements for the software selection process, it's critical to get viewpoints from across the organization. All too often, important stakeholders are left out of the conversation. Before looking at different solutions, assemble a team of employees who work with and manage your core processes, particularly those who use work streams that span functions and departments. Whether it's accounting, sales, marketing, shop floor, warehouse, logistics, operations, or any other department, it's important to know the challenges these functions have and what their people need to do their jobs better, assuming that big-name solutions are always the best. Corporate executives used to say, "No one ever got fired for buying IBM," and that mindset persists today. Many organizations start their ERP selection with a list of the biggest and best-known companies in the ERP software marketplace. And the big-name vendors offer excellent choices for small, medium, and large enterprises in a variety of deployment models. But their product may not be right for your organization. Extensive customization may be necessary to meet your unique requirements. Or you may have to purchase specialized industry add-ons to get the functionality that you want. Instead, consider all the options available, including smaller industry-specific solutions. Okay, here's the bottom line when it comes to ERP software selection. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Finding the best fit starts with evaluating software solutions based on your industry's unique needs, goals, and requirements. We can help you make the right choice. At Ultra Consultants, we effectively partner with companies to find the best ERP software solution for them. For more information and additional resources on our ERP consulting services, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.